Hi there, and welcome to the first episodes of our new Industry Insights concept. Every month, we'll be taking a look at a different subject from which we think it will have an impact on our sector or might change the way we look at things. To start off the series, we will have a closer look at efficiency in production. As you know, productivity and efficiency are the key to success in the world of industrial manufacturing. With the ever-increasing demand for products and services, making sure your equipment is operating at its full capacity has become an absolute necessity to stay competitive within your segment. Knowing that, one of the most important aspects of optimizing performance is data analysis. Unfortunately, this often happens way too late in the process. Instead of analyzing data after the facts, you should have real-time dashboards that give you the insights you need to make decisions on the spot. These real-time insights will allow you to detect and address issues more quickly. In other words, it will allow you to identify and resolve bottlenecks, to reduce downtime, and ultimately increase your overall productivity. Instead of only looking at the usual suspects, the process conditions, it's important to also include data coming from other angles, like financial or energy-related data, to get a more comprehensive overview of what is happening on the production. In the end, you might be able to identify trends and get a better understanding of the financial and operational impact of decisions that are made in the factory. This understanding is crucial to develop a long-term operational improvement strategy. Looking forward to the rest of 2023, we're assuming that our industry will be going through some rough waters. Unfortunately, that also means it will become harder for investments to get approval, while sometimes those investments are needed to implement functionality in order to improve production efficiency. Therefore, now might be the time to start looking into some more service-based business models as opposed to the traditional CAPEX models, so you can still implement the features you need to drive optimizations and efficiency without the burden of large upfront costs. Now, to embark on this journey towards real-time production insights, you need the right tools in place to collect, store, and analyze data coming from production. At Factry, we believe an open software stack is crucial for this. Not only is it cost-effective and customizable, it's also easily integratable with other third-party systems, which is important to complete the picture. And only a complete picture can provide you with the insights and understanding you need to stay ahead of the competition.